babon ki khon samla ki la benya ya ka jingwan ka jingkhang dam ka ba arsenam na ka da ko jingwan lungshop ka khlam covid-19 ha ka babon ki samla ki mi olat shu banya shimbanta ha ki jingale ka ba pher bar wat tang ban khilan medru handre hadien ka ni ka jingkhang dam bar uni nang jingpang ula khamduna ki babon jat ki jingale ka manta usnam 8000 arko ar ki la sedang biang ba kani ka a jingkerman biang ki khon samla ki ba smart ban yale ka ya kani la sakhiru babon ki samla shinrang bat kanthai ki long kumi long kpa bada ki spangut ki raya shimbanta hakajinga ko mare thong kabajinga kumba shipho kilometer bala penlong da ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kabala long haka pusan tarik mentau bana jeliu 8000 arpuar kabala sedang na Jawaharlal Nehru polo kinong job hakani kajinga ko mare kila yo ekanam baningkong da ka kintimon marwen kabawan baar kadeka mar quintus bat kabalai kadeka banda sharai marwen napreng kenthai kat bana preng kishinrang pat bawan ningkong de unin gombam poland rosing bat bawan baar de u hepstari lingkhoi bat bawan balai pat de u wal besta nosi nakilang kirang ba pat lawan baningkong do ba standing maulong baar u ba padon sing tham kat ba bawan balai pat u ba punchman lang khat Karbana kilang juki lokumi pan lawan baningkong deka kong kuman walang baar deka kong Melina nonglang katba kapawan balai pat deka kong Trisina wanyang. Hagan ni gaju kesini la play ko office trekam joka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kabadon hapolo hajan JN Studio.
Sports for having helped us is a proud moment for the association and the Olympic family as a whole. So. Just for the record that this, after we have asked to leave the terracing, we are searching for the office where to get. So on the 15th February, after I took over the General Secretary, I put a WhatsApp in the expo. I said cafeteria will be the best place for us, and so consider first one to thumbs up that if we can get this one, and thank God through the help, through the hard work of John. We are able to convince the government to give us this use. So this is an achievement for the MSA. Not only for the MSA, you are part of this building, all the state association.